there, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, I'm going to take a deeper look at the Binance NFT Marketplace, and we're going to study about how to buy it, how to sell it, and all that stuff. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell icon to stay notified about all the videos we are going to upload on this channel. This video is not financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there.
Hi there, hope everyone is having a good day today, and we will talk about the NFT, the largest global cryptocurrency exchange Binance, that launched its NFT marketplace on 24th of June 2021. For those who have not yet met with the NFT, this is a so-called non-fungible token, and common cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum are interchangeable, but NFTs are very unique. Each unique token can carry digital content, and NFTs offer the opportunity to own a specific copy of digital art, music, or collectibles. NFTs are often seen as speculative investment. Many showbiz stars are now kind of uploading their content as NFTs to Binance. So in order to buy something on Binance NFT Marketplace, you must have an account with Binance. You're going to see a referral link that we have mentioned in the description box below. Please check that out. If you use that link, you're going to get a discount when you open an account with us. So definitely check that out. So let's continue along with the video tutorial on how to buy or just see NFT to get started. So first of all, it is necessary to deposit funds into the account and exchange them Ethereum for Binance Coin or Binance Dollar, and we'll show you how to do it right now. So first, open your wallet and choose to make a deposit from the menu. From the menu, select fiat currency deposit, and now you have to choose the method of deposit. It is generally better to send money to Binance account by bank transfer, but your account must be verified. I'm also over here just transferring crypto from any different exchange or from crypto wallet. Then you will need to exchange your currency into one of the currencies with which you can pay on Binance NFT. So in our case, we will exchange USDT for BUSD so that we can buy a mystery box. And now we have successfully exchanged USDT, and we can see our BUSD in our wallet at Binance NFT Marketplace. You can easily check how many currencies you have on your profile, and if you want to buy a specific NFT and it is, for example, an auction, you can submit a bid in the window. You will always see a current bid, and you can place your bid. If you won the auction, the appropriate amount of currency would be deducted and you would get the NFT you were bidding on. For example, let's say you're here trying to buy a picture. For example, this one is called as Sydney. So you can buy it right away for $8. Click buy now, and we see how the confirmation video opens where our balance is displayed and the price of painting is displayed, and click confirm. And now let's go to the user sender, and to do this, at the top you need to click on user sender, and a window will open like mine, and here we can find the mystery box tabs, and click on the open box and we will see that the picture we just bought. So let's click on it and try to sell it now. Okay, and I have a page where you can actually set up a price for a recently purchased picture or create an auction by setting a minimum bid, and you can set the time on how much product you want to be sold. Please check the link in the description box below where we have provided referral ID, which you can use it to sign up to get free money. So eventually you will be able to create your own NFTs on Binance NFT Marketplace, and this process is called minting now. However, this option is intended only for artists who have been pre-selected by Binance within the 100 Creators and Innovative Creators program as a part of the 100 Creators program. And that's all for now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.